All right, hey Libby, we're starting whiteboards. These are the first 4 problems. I just said to do amplitude period for each one of these equations. I guess Libby and who else is in there? Oh, Kyle. Kyle maybe is watching this too. So there you go. These are the first 4 problems we did. Did you guys have enough time?
No.
Okay, keep it going. You're doing fine. I think so. I think so.
I should grab like a good
Okay.
orange.
I need 2 more seconds.
2 more seconds.
Or purple.
Anybody else need 2 more
No,
seconds?
do like half
I need
purple
your
and
back is
half
gonna
like
go to
green.
sleep.
Like this
Ah.
one, like right here.
Oh, he's gonna die. I'll be alright.
Uh-oh.
Hey,
I asked you, what computer would you recommend for college?
Mac.
Really?
Do you want to know a computer I would recommend?
Everybody's switching to Macs.
Don't get a Mac. Macs are terrible.
They said that Mac's not compatible with anything, though.
Macs are trash. Don't get Macs.
No.
You heard it here, folks.
That's a lie.
In a window.
If you think I'm smart, then.
Alright, amplitudes, 1/2. Amplitude is 3. If you put negative 3, you're wrong.
Windows is
Don't
good.
put it as a negative. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Don't put amplitude as a negative. This one's 4, this one's 2/3. Okay? I'm gonna put a star here and here and say that he's flipped.
On the market.
Okay, you didn't have to put that, but that's what the graph is gonna look like. Okay?
It's like
alright.
That's how much a Mac.
To find the period,
And
you
then
don't
a
have to
good
put
one is
flipped.
$1,500.
Okay. You gotta be quiet, Luke. I can't hear myself think.
Well, that's for like
2 pi divided by 2 is period is pi for the first one. Okay? 1 right below that. We take 2 pi and divide by what's b?
1/2.
1/2. What's 2 pi divided by half?
4 pi.
4 pi. We're making it bigger. Okay? This guy, I take not 2 pi, but just pi. Why just pi? Because it's tangent. Normal period for tangent is just pi. And I divide by 2, so the period is pi over 2. We're making it smaller. And this one is pi divided by 1/3, which is 3 pi. Got it? Did you get those? Okay, good. Let's graph this one. Y equals 1/2 sine of 2x. So we already said that the amplitude is 1/2. Excuse me, 1/2. And we said the period was, what did we say, pi? Okay, so graph that one. Graph 1/2 sine of 2x. Go. Put your labels in there. Graph 1/2 sine of 2x.
Or what?
1/2 sine of 2x. Go.
What are your problem today? Luke's not even paying attention.
Luke, go.
Jalen, don't even.
Hey,
You know
Don't-
what? You
don't
can-
even.
You can talk to me when you call me the right name.
Jacob. Jacoblin. Jacoblin. Jacoblin.
That's enough of that.
Caitlin. And we both go.
I didn't.
No, when I first came here, she was terrible about it. She's like, oh yeah, I'm Caitlin. I'm like, wait, no, what do you mean?
Okay, did you get it? Did you get a graph?
Wait.
Give me 2 seconds.
Can I go?
Wait, does sign start down?
No.
Middle?
Starts middle.
Or when my phone
That's
just
what I
started
meant.
randomly going off in class.
Yeah. I see.
Boom.
Down and
Easy.
middle.
Okay.
I think I want to
Yep. Okay.
We don't need
Starts at 0, goes to pi. This is pi over 2 in the middle. And then what's this mark right here?
Pi over 4.
Pi over 4.
3
You didn't
pi
have
over
to mark
4.
that. This one's 3
3
pi over 4. Okay. He goes up to 1/2 and down to negative 1/2, right? Starts here, up here, middle, down, up. Like this. Okay, good?
I did wrong.
You did it wrong. Do you know what you did wrong?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down instead of
All right. All right.
Kyle, you can take your band off now.
What?
You can take your band off.
I only brought
You're,
two back.
you're banded like a steer.
You're
You just
done?
have to use
Just
your
use
hand.
it. Just use your hand.
No.
Did you fall
Like
asleep,
a-
Kyle?
Oh, this should be an X, not a pi.
What gun should
I don't know why that's an X.
Okay, now what are we doing?
Like,
All right,
wait,
next.
a hand job?
Graph this one. Y equals, let's do
They are.
3 cosine of x over 4. I don't know.
And then I like it.
Let's do negative. Let's do negative 3 cosine x over 4. Okay, graph him.
Would you get concealed carry?
Negative 3 cosine x over 4. If you need to, write out the period, write out the amplitude first, right? If that's helpful for you, I always have to write it out.
Amplitude 3.
Amplitude period.
Period 8.
Periods.
8 pi.
You stole.
Come in.
Okay, graph him. Cosine. Negative cosine.
Okay, so
It's a cosine. Yeah, Jay, it's a cosine.
I mean,
really
sure, yeah, I can't see
tired.
markings, but yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
I'm gonna
Okay.
Yes.
Period.
It's also negative.
Okay.
So, what is that negative? Is that negative?
Oh.
No, it's not.
Right there. Right there.
Are you going to
Wait,
blood?
wait.
Wait. I think I did.
Wait, can you
I
get
did
blood
that
when you're
right.
pregnant?
What?
Can you get blood when you're
No.
pregnant?
No. And you can't give blood until 6 weeks after
That's
you
twice as much
give
blood.
birth.
That you want her kid to die?
Yes.
It works like that.
Yeah, that looks good.
This is not intended.
Yep.
Haley
Yep.
did it wrong. Haley did it wrong. Haley did it wrong.
8 pi,
Look at the vacuum.
4 pi, 2 pi, 6 pi,
You're
0.
gonna need to
Did
shut
anybody forget to do the negative? Because he starts down here.
I did.
Nope.
Haley did. Haley.
Okay, okay.
That's what he should look like, yeah?
What? Oh, I did sign. Hold up.
What did Jay
Hold up.
Hold up.
Make sure he is cosine.
Tonight, I'm gonna sleep like a rock.
Cosine.
I started putting the dots, but then I'm like halfway through I'm just like,
Alright, let's graph a tangent.
You
No,
should.
I
That
hate
was
tangent.
fun.
Or like-
Two dots.
I mean, not really.
It's
Y
like-
equals, let's do 3
It's
tangent
I
of,
don't like- she's-
Why?
let's do x over,
My mom's there too, actually.
let's do x over 6. Let's do that.
Except her easy. I already know that.
3 tangent x over 6, graph him.
So funny, freshman year when-
3 tangent x over 6, graph
when
him.
everyone was.
Like 6 days.
I have 6 days.
She's like a dog, she just loves the attention too.
I think it's kind of funny. Everybody's hitting on your mom.
Did you label your amplitude really fast? Well, I mean, that's a 3. 3 is silly. So we can mark at 3. Tangent.
I don't have no space.
Tangent.
I don't have
Okay. If you need to, write out amplitude period.
I don't like tangent.
Amplitude's 3. What's the period?
Six.
6 pi, right?
You monkey. I think I graphed it.
Alright, now the tricky part here is that tangent goes from here to here. There's my vertical asymptote, so where are they labeled at?
3 pi.
Negative 3 pi and positive 3 pi, because 6 pi is the whole thing, right? So we split them in half. Got it? And then here in the middle should be up 1, 2, 3. And here in the middle should be down 1, 2, 3. This is what your tangent should look like. Something like that, right? At least have them labeled. Okay? When you graph these for a test or for homework, that's what I'm going to be focused on is the labels. Do you have the labels on there?
How do you?
You need
so
to
for-
at least have 3 pi and negative 3 pi and 3 and negative 3. Those labels are what I'm looking for.
Do we have to? Like, it's really hard to draw the amplitude for tangent. Can we just label this is what amplitude would be?
Let's do a cosine function.
We already did a cosine function.
No, I'm going to have you write a cosine function.
Oh,
Hey, can I see what you did for tan? I wasn't paying attention, sorry.
Cody, why does your
Okay, I did it right.
That's
Never mind.
clock on your iPad read 9?
Huh? Can't hear you.
It always does that when I'm recording. When I'm,
Why January 9th?
I don't know.
What's January 9th?
It's been locked on that for the
It,
past
it,
two
do, it
years.
does that every time I screencast or
Why don't
whatever.
you change it?
You can't.
You can't.
You go to
Oh,
settings.
stuck.
It's like an Apple setting or something.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Alright, I want you to write a cosine function. So, figure out what your value should be here and
Y is equal to blank.
here, right? Like those two numbers. If I want my amplitude to be 2/3 and I want my period to be
4, 5.
6 pi. Oh. Okay. I want the amplitude to be 2/3. I want the period to be 6 pi. Figure out what those numbers go in there.
Wait,
Mm-mm.
no, no, it's.
No.
There we go. Fixed it.
Yes.
I forgot the word.
You gotta write the equation out. So figure out what number goes here. Figure out what number goes there.
Nope, you did it wrong. Okay, you did it
Yeah,
right.
that's
I
good.
was like, what?
You forgot the negative.
That's good.
Oh,
That was a
negative.
Okay. Did you get it?
I don't even know what-
2/3 goes here. That's the